This is my new steam humidifier sent to me by Y&O. This will really help with keeping my home from getting too dry during the colder months of the year. The humidifier comes with a long power cord, which I'll plug into the wall. The other end goes into the back of the humidifier. There are two buckets inside the humidifier. Each bucket has a max indicator, so you know exactly how much water to fill each bucket. Each bucket also comes with a handle, which makes it very convenient to remove the buckets when you need to fill them with water. When filling with water, I'm just placing the bucket in the sink and using cold tap water. Once the bucket is filled, I can easily return the bucket to the chamber inside the humidifier. Once both buckets are filled with water, the cover can be placed on top. Press the power button in the middle of the panel and then LED display lights up. The button to the left of the power button controls the humidity level. You can set it at either low, medium, or high. The button to the right of the power button are preset humidity values that you can select, either 80%, 70%, or 60%. Give the humidifier a few minutes for the water inside to heat up, and then steam will start gently misting out from the vents built into the cover.